How's it going? Well, I couldn't wait for the Avata 360, so I broke down and got the A1 Antigravity Drone. Can't wait to fly it. So I'm gonna just open it up real quick and do a quick review on what's in the box. Let's go. Alright, like I said, I'm using my Ban Smartglasses to do this video. Again, this is the Antigravity A1. Let's see what's in the box. So we got a case, and so in the case is everything. This is the Explorer bundle, so let's take it out of there. Oh, and in addition, I did get the anti-gravity repair kit, replacement lens kit. All right, and also the landing pad right here. Okay, so let's see. Alright, so I got everything out of the plastic bags, and again, here's the goggles. Looks pretty cool. And in comparison to, I do fly the Avata 1, so here's the Integra, DJI Integra goggles. As you can see, this one's probably a lot better. We'll see. And then if you're looking at the remote controller or the motion controller, it's almost about the same size. Check it out. This is the Avata, and then this is the anti-gravity. Oh, cool. All right, and then this is the battery for the goggles, and there's a lanyard that comes along with it. And here's the charging hub, and this one comes out like this for the third battery. I think the other battery's in the drone itself. And then, so let me go open this thing up real quick. Okay, got it open. Okay, here's the drone. Open up its arms. All right, there you go. It's almost the size of a Mini 3, because I have a Mini 3 Pro, DJI Mini 3 Pro, and it's about maybe close to the same size. I like it. There's the camera on the top and the bottom for taking 360 video. All right, anyway, this is it. I know I'm kind of in a rush because I'm excited to fly this tomorrow and see how it goes and capture some 360 footage. All right, thanks for watching. Later.